Hi students! Today, we are going to discuss about electronic search engine. This is a brief outline of today's lesson. Definition of electronic search engine. Top 6 search engines in the world. Tutorial on how to use search engine. Electronic search engine. A search engine is a software system that is designed to carry out web searches, which means to search the World Wide Web in a systematic way for particular information specified in a textual web search query. Here are the top search engines in the world. The top 6 search engines are Google, Bing, Baidu, Yahoo, Yandex, Ask. Let us discuss them one by one. Google, a search engine that is so popular, it is many times larger than all of the world's other search engines combined. This is the homepage of Google. The search engine was born in 1996 by Sergey Brin and Larry Page. This is what you'll see if you search something in Google. Let me share with you some fun facts. The name Google is derived from the word Google. A Google is a mathematical term which means 10 raised to the power of 100 or 1 with 100 zeros after it. The next search engine is Bing, the second largest search engine in the world. It is owned and operated by Microsoft. What you see on the screen is the homepage of Bing. Just like Google, the search engine also filters search results into different tabs such as images, videos, maps, and news. If you search something in Bing, you will see different search results. Baidu, the third largest search engine and is China's largest. Baidu was founded in year 2000 and has its headquarters in China's capital, Beijing. Next is Yahoo, the fourth largest search engine in the world. The company was founded way back in 1994 by Jerry Yang and David Filo. What you see on the screen is the homepage of Yahoo. Yahoo stands for Yet Another Hierarchical Organized Oracle. The next is Yandex, a popular search engine in Russia which provides more than 70 different services, including tools such as Yandex Disk, a cloud-based storage service similar to Google Drive. What you see on the screen is the homepage of Yandex. The name Yandex was adopted in 1993 and stands for Yet Another Indexer. Ask is the 6th largest search engine in the world, founded in 1996 by Garrett Gruner and David Warthen in California. The site was originally named Ask Jeeves. The company dropped Jeeves from the name in 2006 when the company rebranded to Ask. Now, let us have a short tutorial on how to use Google Search using smartphone. Step 1. Open Chrome application in your smartphone. It will lead you to Google Search homepage. Type the words or URL in the search bar. Step 2. After typing the words that you want to search, tap Go. Step 3. After clicking Go, different search results will appear. Scroll down to see other results. Now that you know how to use Google Search in your smartphone, here are some steps to search for specific information online. Number 1. Vary your search engine. Use different search engines as they have different strengths. Number 2. Use specific keywords. Be as specific as you can in your wording. Number 3. Simplify your search terms. Strip out unnecessary stop words and avoid suffixes. Next, use quotation marks. This narrows searches down to particular words and phrases. Thank you for watching!
Click subscribe here at Teacherrific.